These are some of the words that you have been asked me. Bino kubigambadde mu mbuuza nga ebiraga akaseera. So in this video we are going to look at most of the English words describing period of time. Most of the English words describing a period of time. Ebigambo ebiraga akaseera. Remember bino ebigambo tubikozesa nnyo mu mboozi oba mu English sentences. Okay, let's get started. Number one, we have a word always. Once again, always. Repeat after me. Always. Good. Always. What does it mean? Always is used on something done all the time. Once again, this word always, it's used on something that is done all the time. In other words, something that is frequently done. Let's have an example. I always drive that car. I always drive that car. In other words, you frequently drive the car. So the action, you do it all the time. So always is used on something done all the time. Ndowooza tukategedde. So always mu Luganda kitegeeza buli kaseera. Always buli kaseera. So always ekozesebwa ku kintu ekikolebwa buli kaseera. Once again, always it's used on something done all the time. In other words, always kagambo tukakozesa ku kintu ekikolebwa buli kaseera. For example, nze nvuga emmotoka eyo buli kaseera. I always drive that car. Ekintu kyokola buli kaseera. Mu Luzungu tukozesa akagambo kano aka always. Good. Number two, we have sometimes. Sometimes. Sometimes is used on something not always done. So it's performed but not frequently. In other words, sometimes eraga ekintu ekikolebwa lumu na lumu. Sometimes lumu na lumu. For example, nze nvuga eggaali eyo lumu na lumu. Kitegeeza togivuga buli kaseera. So lumu na lumu ogivugira. So sometimes it's used on something not always done. Ekintu nga tekitera kolebwa. So kikolebwa lumu na lumu. So we use sometimes. Let's have an example. Sometimes my mom comes to my place. Sometimes my mom comes to my place. This means nti lumu na lumu mama wange ankyalirako oba lumu na lumu mama wange ajje wange. So sometimes it's used on something not always done, but it's done at times. Eraga ekintu ekikolebwa lumu na lumu. Sometimes. Good. Number three, we have often. Repeat after me. Often. Often. So often shows something done many times. Often shows something done many times. In other words, it's used on something that is done most and many times. Let's have an example. I often eat breakfast. I often eat breakfast. Kitegeeza olya breakfast ebiseera ebisinga. I often visit her. I often visit her. Kitegeeza ebiseera ebisinga okola ki? Omukyalira. So in other words, often mu Luganda kana akagambo tukakozesa oba ekozesebwa ku kintu ekikolebwa emirundi egisinga. Emirundi egisinga. Often. So often it's used to show something done many times. In Luganda ekozesebwa ku kintu ekikolebwa emirundi egisinga. Good. Those are often tukategedde. Number four, rarely. Rarely. Once again, rarely. Good. Rarely, it's used on something not often done. Rarely, once again, it's used on something not often done. In other words, can be done once a week or twice a month. So something done not frequently. Something that is not commonly done. So let's have an example. I rarely go to the beach. I rarely go to the beach. Implying that not all the times that you go to the beach. So in other words, if you go once a month, you do it once in the whole month. So you rarely go to the beach. So rarely, it's used on something not often done. It's done, but minimal times. Hope we are together. Good. So rarely, mu Luganda kiyinza okutegeeza eraga ekintu nga tekitera kukolebwa, nga tekikolebwa. So rarely kana akagambo tukakozesa mu luzungu naye kitegeeza kakozesebwa ku kintu nga tekitera kukolebwa. For example, nze sitera kugenda ku beach. For example, nze sitera kugenda ku beach. Nze sitera kugenda ku beach, implying that ogendayo naye togendayo buli kaseera. You rarely go to the beach. Okay, never. Never. It's a common word. I will never go back there. I will never do that thing. Okay, so never, it's used to show or it shows something not done at all. So it implies that you don't perform that task at all. Never, it means you don't perform that task at all. So it shows something not done at all. You never do it completely. So never in Luganda tuyinza okugamba nti never kagambo akakozesebwa oba ekozesebwa ku kintu nga tekikolebwa. Once again, never eno tugikozesa ku kintu nga tekikolebwa. For example, nze sigenda ku beach. I never go to the beach. Nze sigenda ku beach. In other words, never kalaga ekintu nga tekikolebwako wadde. So never shows something not done at all. As I've earlier told you. Another example, I never see that girl. For example, I will never see that girl. I will never see that girl. Nti omwala oyo sirimulaba. Omwala oyo sirimulaba. So never, it shows something not done at all. Good. Soon. Repeat after me. Soon. Good. Soon. Soon. So soon is used to mean something to be done after a short time. A point to note here, after a short period of time. So soon we use it to mean something is going to be done but after some time or after now. In other words, it is next to be done. So soon is used to mean something to be done after some time or after a short time. For example, I will soon be there. I will soon be there. You've not reached there, but you are about. So something that is about to be done. So we use soon. Hope we are together. Another example. The students will soon finish the exam. The students will soon finish the exam, implying that they have not yet finished the exam, but they are about to finish the exam. Good. So soon in Luganda ekozesebwa oba eraga ekintu ekinaatera okukolebwa. Tekinnaba kukolebwa naye kinaatera okukolebwa. For example, abayizi banaatera okumala ebibuuzo. Nera abayizi banaatera okumala ebibuuzo. So soon in Luganda can mean naatera. Soon naatera. For example, I will soon be there. Naatera okubaayo oba naatera okutuuka. So tonnaba kutuuka naye onaatera. You are about to reach. So soon can mean ekintu ekinaatera okukolebwa. Good. Later. Once again, later. Repeat after me. Later. Later. So a point to note, later is different from later. They both carry the same sound, but they carry different meaning. So a letter, this means a letter you write to someone. A message you write through a piece of paper and you send to him or her. So letter is different from this letter. Once again, letter. So this one, it refers a period of time. Whereas this one is just a message you write or you send to someone through a piece of paper. It means a letter. Good. So later, this one, something to be done after some time. Once again, something to be done after some time, or something that is next to be done. So this one resembles soon in one way or another, but they're kind of different. So later is used on something to be done after some time. Are we together? So later, mu Luganda, later in Luganda can mean edda. Once again, later eyinza okutegeeza edda, ekintu ekinaakolebwa edda. I will come later, nja kujja edda. Good. Past. Past. Past, this is a common phrase. Past, it's used on things that happened a time back. So they happened long time ago. So we use past. In the past, our grandfather used to bring gifts for us. In the past, our grandfather used to bring gifts for us. In other words, so past mu Luganda ekozesebwa ku bintu ebyayita. Once again, past ekozesebwa ku bintu ebyayita. So past ebyayita, ebyo ebintu ebyayita. For example, edda ennyo jjajja waffe yatuwanga ice cream. So kyayitawo, it is past. Are we together? Good. Now. Good. Now. Once again. Now. Can you repeat that? Now. Good. So now it's used on something happening at this time. It's happening currently. Are we together? So now we use it to mean something that is happening now or currently, or it's happening at this time. For example, I am teaching you now. I am teaching you now. So now tugikozesa ku bintu oba ku kintu ekikolebwa kati, ekintu ekigenda mu maaso kati. So now eraga ekintu ekiriwo kati. Now eraga ekiriwo kati. In other words, now kitegeeza kati mu Luganda. Are we together? Okay, so those are some of the frequently asked questions that have answered in this video. Ku bigambo emadde mumbuuza mu bibuuzo byammwe. Bigambo bino biraga akaseera. So these words, they are used to describe a period of time, and they are frequently used in English sentences. Ndowooza wina ky'oyiseemu. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Here we learn English and Luganda with ease. And for online lessons, you can WhatsApp me in the number in the description box. Bye bye. Wait about.